Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PropertyShark for real estate research. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the PropertyShark website. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar prominently at the top. Enter the property address or the neighborhood you're interested in researching. Click the search icon to initiate the query. Wait for the results page to load, which may take a few moments. When the results appear, select the specific property from the list. This will take you to the property details page, where you'll find key information. Review the overview section for insights about property type, ownership, and assessed value. Scroll down to the property details section for in-depth information, including square footage and lot size. Check the sales history section to see past transactions and price changes over time. For zoning information, look at the Zoning tab, which provides important regulations and classifications. Navigate to the Taxes section for details about current tax assessments and payment history. If you want to explore the surrounding area, use the map feature available on the site. This allows you to view nearby properties and neighborhoods visually. If you need additional insights, utilize the Comparable Sales section for market analysis. This tool helps you compare similar properties to gauge market trends. For further research, consider accessing PropertyShark's premium features. These may include deeper analytics and data reports for serious investors. Once you've gathered all the necessary information, take notes for future reference. Lastly, be sure to regularly check back for updates as real estate data can change frequently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.